Welcome. In today's quick walkthrough, you'll learn exactly how to find every location where your Facebook account is currently logged in, using Facebook on the web, on your PC with the latest interface. Start by opening your browser and going to Facebook. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your account menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings and Privacy, then click Activity Log. This is your central hub for reviewing everything tied to your account, including security events. Inside the activity log, scan the left-hand menu. Find and select security and login information. This section gathers all sign-in activity, recognized devices, and session details in one place. Now, under Security and Login Information, click where you're logged in. Facebook will display a list of all active sessions, each with the device type, browser or app, approximate location, and the last time it was used. This is how Yahoo spot unfamiliar logins or confirm your own devices. If you see a session you don't recognize, you can end it right from this page. Just click the three dots next to that entry and choose Log Out. For extra safety, consider changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication after reviewing this list. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly audit your Facebook login locations on the web, keep your account secure, and stay in control of where you're signed in.